Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, we're gonna install a BlueSquare pop-up head nozzle. All right, we're back. So today, real short and simple video. So we have a BlueSquare pop-up head here, and when BlueSquare pop-up heads come to you, they come without a nozzle. So you have 3 different nozzles to choose from, but this is how you install the nozzle after you have decided which nozzle to put in. So all you do is, as you see, there's an opening here and there's an opening in your nozzle. There's a lot of different grooves, and there's also, see, there's a hole here, and those line up with the 2 holes in the bottom of the pop-up head here. So all you're gonna do is line everything up the way it's supposed to be. So all the holes line up that I just kind of talked to you about. And then literally, you take your hand, push it together, and you can even hit it. So, really, really easy. And to uninstall these pop-up heads, check out our other video on how to remove a BlueSquare pop-up head, because that is a whole different animal. Take a look at that. But this video, this is how we install BlueSquare nozzles. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.